Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Before Prime Minister, ex-Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina was time saying that PNP guilty. Now is Prime Minister, ex-Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina now is very, very guilty. Where is Sheikh Hasina? Where is Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina? New Delhi. Bed rest, long time bed rest. Why not come Bangladesh? Sometimes saying, why not come? Why not come, Tariq Jia? Where are you? Ex-Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, where are you? Please, saying something. So, time and time, wait for none. Please, please, please. বেশি বাইরো না, বাইরে গেলি জ্বরে ভাঙে, বুঝো না? বেশি খাট হইলে ছাগলে খায়, কথাটা মনে রাখি, ঠিক আছে? পারলে অন্যজনকে শেয়ার করে দিয়েন। ওকে, বাই।